Yeah, so hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please do well to subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you. I love you. So, in this video today, I'll be talking about a app. Let me just say this here. I've been following a lady on TikTok and I've done my research and I came to discover from her that there's this Popo app that pays you and she's even legit about it. You understand? And I've researched about it. I've seen other people as well on this street that are earning on this app. Now, please just note this. I do my research and I come here to share the job opportunities. I don't have the capacity to do everything. I run physical business. I run online business. I run a farming business. You understand? I run a coaching business as well. So I don't have the opportunity to, work on everything. And the reason why this is like this is because what works for Mr. A might not work for Mr. B. You get? So guys, if you have not joined our Telegram group, please do well to join because you have the opportunity to chat with me. And the reason why you chat with me is because you need me to answer one or two questions that is within my capacity because I have gone ahead of you to make that research or I've gone ahead of you to test out whatever I am uploading here. Not everything though, but most of them. You understand? So please, I don't want people coming around here to tell me this and that. You get? If you even talk to me, I will not answer you because I don't even have the time. I'm a wife, I'm a mother, I'm a businesswoman, I'm a coach, I'm a farmer, all these things for only me. So please, I don't even have the time. In case you talk to me and I don't answer you, just know that only bó ṣe jẹ́, e get as e be. Ga abin da ya ga abin da ya faru. You understand? So guys, please, like I said, I'll be showing you guys an app that will pay you to go live and chat with men. This is basically for ladies because I have a lot of mothers here, a lot of ladies, a lot of students, a lot of darlings. I have them here and all of them, most of them are looking for how to make money. So if you know you have the time, you have time, can sign up on this website and go live and be making money. So without much further ado, let me just head straight into the video and show you guys. So guys, this is my phone. I'm sorry the thing is somehow bending because I'm just testing out this particular kind of app on this phone. As you all know, I like to show you guys how you can make money on your phone. You understand? So don't mind me please if I'm testing out a few things and you understand. So the first thing we'll be doing is this particular app I want to talk about. They actually pay you in coins converted when they want to send the money to your account. You understand? So let's just go to online and read one or two things about this particular app before we go and download it. So let's open our Chrome browser. This is my Chrome browser. Pardon me guys, because I'm trying to sorry. So this is it. This is my Chrome browser. Thank you. I think I'm happy with this like this. So what we are just going to do is we are just going to type Popo. What you do here is to chat with men, maybe single or married men, I don't know, but you just chat with men because ladies won't pay you to chat with them, but rather men will pay you to chat with them. You understand? So this particular Popo app is actually being talked about on TikTok. And you know the way this TikTok platform is now. If you know they pay, girls will not be talking about it. You understand? So what you just need to do is to look for the particular app and download it. Now there are a lot of apps that will claim to be Popo or Papa, whatever it is. You understand? So let me just go straight to my Play Store. Yes. So this is Play Store. This is Play Store. Okay, this is Popo app. Let me come down here for you guys to see. This is Popo Life. This is the app. As you can see, the app has different colors. Sorry guys, I'll be leaving on the screen the screenshot of the money the particular lady I'm telling you about makes. She's my friend on TikTok and she makes a lot of money from this app. In fact, she's a married woman. You understand? She has kids and she's, I don't know, but I just know that she makes a lot of money from this app, and this is what she pays people. Like, this is what she teaches people. You understand? So as you can see, it's already downloaded on my phone. Please look at the particular artwork of the app. It is PO dot, then it has different colors as the background. It has pink, blue, green, so that you don't go and download another app and come and tell me that it is not working. It is Popo Life, POPO Life, LIVE. Do you understand? So what I will just do now is to click open. Hold on guys. Open, because I have to open the app. Please beware that I'm using my phone to do this recording, and majorly I use my phone for almost all the recording of the videos I do online. Now note this, it's not like I cannot use my system, but this is basically because I teach people how to make money online using your mobile phone. So here, what we have here is it says connect with Google or sign up. So let us hit this connect with Google. Basically what you need to do is you tick on the principle or the laws or the rules. You accept it, then you use your Gmail. You click on connect with Gmail and use your Gmail. Choose any of your Gmails, then it will bring you to this platform like this particular dashboard like this. Then you choose, and then you choose either you are a male or a female, then you submit. Okay, you have to upload a profile picture as well. You upload the profile picture and then you submit. So that's just basically all I know about this app, but the app is paying because I'll be leaving a screenshot of what she makes online. Now, if you want me to invite her to join one of our live stream and educate people here on how to make money chatting using that website, I can invite her, but please just indicate it in the comment section. Just say please invite her. Just indicate in the comment section by saying please invite her, and I will invite her because she needs to tell us more. Now, I really don't want to do much on this website because I don't want to go ahead. But as you can see, once you input your name, your Gmail, you choose whether you're a male or female, you hit the submit button and you sign up. You have to upload a beautiful profile picture of yourself. You understand? Now, if you upload it, I know on one thing for sure on this website is that men pay to chat with you. So once you sign up like this, you just be getting hundreds of messages before the next day, as long as you upload a very beautiful picture of yourself. So like I said, please like this video and make sure you indicate it in the comment section if you want me to invite you, because I can't be knowledgeable everywhere. You understand? Yes, every man I can't be a professional in every field. I know of this saying that they said, I think jack of all trade is the master of none. You understand? So she's good in this field. So if you want me to bring her up, but this is just basically how you sign up on this website and start making money on the website. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.